Well, IAGA is an international non-governmental organization. That means that there was no intergovernmental agreement necessary, and its formation goes back to 1873. In my opinion, it is an open-minded group where everyone from everywhere can participate in different ways, of course. Within the group of IAGA, some of them know each other already for decades, and more or less, they know the concerns and needs from senior scientists to early career scientists. They know about the financial needs and how to give financial support. In the executive positions are people engaged with a lot of enthusiasm and persuasion. They have also convinced me to get involved here. They manage to bring people together for fruitful discussions and presentations at many meetings. IAGA is trying to organize meetings around the world with the idea to bring as much as possible people from many different countries together without a lot of travel activity. Maybe this is in future obsolete, but who knows? I think the face-to-face contact cannot be replaced by a virtual one. There is always a coming and going within IAGA, which is very natural, also because of the democratic votes of the main positions. And we hope to attract more and more young people in future to be part of IAGA.